For these earrings, you will need 2 flathead pins, 2 jump rings, and 2 earring findings. You will also need 2 large glass beads, 2 medium glass beads, and 2 small glass beads, as well as 4 ball beads and 4 spacer beads. For tools, you'll also need flathead pliers and round nose pliers. I'll have the link down below for the full list of supplies. Alright, so step 1, arrange your beads in a pattern. For this design, we'll be doing a pattern of 1 ball bead, 1 spacer bead, a large glass bead, 1 silver spacer bead, 1 ball bead, a medium glass bead, and then a small glass bead. Next, you're going to want to put all of your beads onto your flathead pen and make sure that your flathead is on the bottom, so bead your small glass bead first and continue up the pattern. And then with some round nose pliers, you're going to want to curl up that pin so it makes a loop. And now you're done the bead design part. Next, you're going to want to take your flathead pliers and your other pliers and just open those jump rings and attach the earrings to your beaded design. That's it. You're done. You can now enjoy your earrings as much as you want. You can make them any different way you want with all sorts of different colors, and have fun with it. That is what beading is supposed to be about, right? You're supposed to have fun with it. That's why we do it. Alright, so that was this DIY. Hello greenhouse. My empty greenhouse. A little bit better. A little bit wider. Okay, so that is the tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, we'll have the DIY kits linked down below. They are up in my shop, as well as the blog post, which is like step-by-step tutorial with pictures. Fun stuff. Alright. I'll see you guys next time. If you liked it, make sure you like it. If you want to see some other tutorials, comment down below. And make sure you hit the subscribe button so you know when I post next. Bye! Prettier today. Great. It was at this moment that I realized, because I was half asleep. It was at this moment that I realized, it's really awkward. I was half asleep. It's really awkward. 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 Hopefully that's a little bit less weird for you guys. Less weird. Less weird. Less weird for you guys. And it was at this moment that I realized, it's really awkward. It's really awkward. It's really awkward. I was half. It's really awkward. 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 And it was at this moment that I realized, because I was half asleep.